Well, I took a little time. I threw myself a pity party, staying cooped up, hardly went out at night.
High five and rotate. The small, medium, large. The small is just swinging the booties and then a walk, walk. Walk, walk. Triple step, triple step. You can then bounce off of 3. Walk, walk. Triple step, triple step. Having a little preparatory motion makes that bounce even better. Walk, walk. Triple step. We then showed you can do a lazy tuck by leader stepping diagonal with a knee pop. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step. We then show the leaders can cross the left foot in front. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step. Walking backwards, walk, walk, triple step. We then show that leaders can add that preparatory motion after that rotation. Walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, cross and pull. Spin, spin. Then the extra little saucy bit for those who are paying attention, you can completely eliminate that preparatory motion by just finishing your triple with that prep. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and prep. Triple step, 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 triple step. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Allie. Thank you, Roundup Nightclub.
She's so the maintenance. Don't need no champagne, poppin' entertainment. Take her to Wendy's, can't keep her off. She wanna dip me like them fries in a fries.
High five and rotate.